Hi there, little explorer. Today we are going on a fun adventure to learn about something called soil pollution. Have you ever wondered why sometimes the ground doesn't look as clean as it should be? Well, that's because of soil pollution. Soil pollution happens when harmful things get into the water and make it dirty. These things can be like trash, chemicals, or even things that come out from cars and factories. When the soil gets polluted, it's not healthy for plants, animals, or even us. Soil pollution can cause a lot of problems like harming plants, as when the soil is polluted, it can make it difficult for plants to get the nutrients they need to thrive. It also hurts animals. Some animals, like worms and bugs, make their home in the ground. And when the soil is polluted, they get very sick. And it can also affect the food chain. Soil pollution can also make underground water dirty because when the soil is polluted, the pollution can seep into the water underground. This can make the water dirty and not safe to drink. And if animals or people drink this dirty water, it can make them sick too. Believe it or not, soil pollution can even contribute to air pollution. How? Well, sometimes the pollution in the soil can get into the air as dust or tiny particles. And when we breathe in this polluted air, it can be bad for our health. But don't worry, there are things we can do with Prakriti Bandhu to help keep the soil clean and happy. One thing we can do is to be careful with our trash. We should always try to throw our trash in the right place, like a trash can or a recycling bin. That way, it won't end up in the ground and make the soil dirty. Another thing we can do is to use fewer chemicals. Sometimes chemicals from things like pesticides in the farm field or cleaning products can seep into the soil and make it polluted. So, we can try to use natural ways to take care of our plants and keep our homes clean. Oh, and did you know that planting trees and flowers can help too? Yup, plants are like nature's superheroes. They can help clean up the soil and make it healthy again. So, planting a little garden or even just a flower pot can make a big difference. And guess what? You can help too. Whenever you see trash on the ground, you can pick it up and throw it away. You can also tell your friends and family about soil pollution and how they can help keep the soil clean too. Do you know a very kind man named Sadhguru is planning to empower 5.2 million farmers to plant approximately 2.42 billion trees in Kaveri Basin in a span of 12 years. He is a hero, just like our Prakriti Bandhu. And the tree women of India, Salu Madara Thimaka, and her quest to green the world is not unknown for all of us. She planted a lot of trees to make the world green. She loved nature and wanted everyone to be happy with beautiful trees. So, there you have it, little explorer. Soil pollution is when the ground gets dirty, but we can all work together to keep it clean and happy. Remember, every little action you take can make a big difference in taking care of our planet. So keep helping our planet. Until we meet next time, bye bye.